And today, guys, we are doing the Master Lock Challenge.
I'm here with Jesus. She had a little,
And that is
this
Caleb.
necklace dude's got a Mary on it.
Yeah, my brother.
Yeah, that's cool,
Mark has that hanging on his car.
Yeah, it's cool.
So, yeah, we're gonna do the Master Lock Challenge.
Brock Lesnar's in Undertaker's suit.
Yeah, my brother put that in there.
Hold on, guys. Just one look. Look. F5.
Okay, so let's get started.
Okay, so we're gonna do the Master Lock Challenge. You ready?
Do we have to do on each other?
No, dude, I'm too big for you. You know what? Actually, yeah. Actually, let's try. Try to escape it, dude. You actually gotta try. It's a 5-minute challenge. Oh, you got it.
Oh!
Okay, other.
Okay, so how do you put your arm?
Just put them under.
And he got out.
Ow, dude, your tongue looks like your fingernails.
We both failed the challenge.
No, you escaped. So
Oh
we both
yeah,
got
I
out of it.
escaped. So we both got out of the challenge.
Bobby Lashley was the only guy that was able to do it.
So we beat the challenge.
Yep. In the video.
Like, subscribe, and peace.